I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pierce.
Pierce's open house will be Thursday, September 13th from 6 to 8. Tell your parents.
The first football game of the season will be Wednesday, September 12th at 4 o'clock p.m. at the Thurston High School field. You will need your student ID and $2 to watch the game.
7th and 8th grade students who earned a cumulative GPA of 3.3 at the end of the last year received an invitation to apply to become a member of the National Junior Honor Society. Those students will attend a NJHS meeting during advisory on Wednesday, September 12th.
Students who join NJHS must turn in their complete application no later than Friday, September 21st at 3:10 p.m. No applications will be accepted after the deadline. Thank you for your time.
Have a good day, Pierce.